This is a real-life example of how to use declarative language with a PDA child. So this morning I was making my son's lunch and I noticed his Tupperwares from the day before were completely full. So I went over to him, and what I would have said before is, "Why didn't you eat your lunch?" Right? But instead I said, "I noticed you didn't eat your potato chips." He said, "I don't like them." I said, "Okay, I can give you popcorn." "No, I don't like popcorn." "I can give you pretzels." "Yes, I want pretzels." Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm switching to declarative sentences. "I can do this," "I notice this," instead of direct questions like, "What do you want to eat?" or imperatives, "You have to eat your lunch," right? And both of these examples were preempting the threat response by not allowing the child to lose autonomy.